Hello, teacher. Welcome to our presentation. What our topic is Postman with automation testing, and our group have three members: Nguyễn Khải Trí, Đỗ Ngọc Anh Viên, and me, Nguyễn Thuận Thiên. We come to the first one. What is Postman? Postman is an API platform for building and using APIs. Postman simplifies each step of the API lifecycle and streamline cooperation, so you can create better API faster. It makes it easy for developers to create, share, test, and document API. With this open source solution, user can create and save simple and complex HTTP requests and read their response. So why we need to use the Postman? So the first one is Postman is easy to use with the beautiful UI, and the second one is it supports many methods, so we can post and get with the HTTP request, and finally it is the one of the most popular and must use tools in and recommend tools to use. So we come to the next person.
Hello, teacher. I'm going to tell you about the next step. That is some functions of the API. First is test API. This allows you to test your API when you write a backend. You can the function like C or UD, or you add in a test for the data or even mock servers or history. I'm gonna go to about some little detail about it. First, about the collection. So the collection in Postman, you can see as is in the first symbol. The collection is important in a group of API requests that have already saved in the Postman, and you can arrange into a folder. Any number of folders can be created inside a collection. Putting a similar request into the folder and collection helps the client better organization and document of their request. And next, we're gonna go to the mock server. About the mock server, you heard about the server, right? The mock server Postman enable you to create a mock server to assist the API development testing. Mock server is simulate the behavior of real API. Server apply accept the request and return the response. By adding mock server to your collection, or maybe adding some examples to your request, you can stimulate behavior of real API. And next we go to the history. The history, that is the name talk all about it. It saves all the history of what you have request, what your request link you have make it. Sit on the left, your left bar right here, and if your history will send across to your devices. And we talk about a little about the props and the concept. First, about the prop, there's good UI. I will show you later. This UI is easy for you to use. Second is the JSON slave conversation advanced when writing code. As I say, because UI is very good, so it's easy for you to look at. And number three is That is the history of previous or easily search to pull up or to be modified and repeat. That is the functions, advanced version of the Postman. You can see right as I say in the history in the last section. And third is condition. Well, it's difficult to move one to from one to collection to another, and moreover, it's unusable to rewrite the CRISP for the project. You cannot reuse the CRISP which you have write in this project for another project. And next, here you can see that this is uh, the UI of the Postman. Uh, you can see right your left hand that is there's some function collection, APIs, not server, history, and some like monitor and environment is will not view at all. And next we're gonna go to demo about the test. That is automation test and manual test. Being will show you about demo.
Okay, my name is Vinh, and I will demonstrate my Postman application. This is the overall user interface of Postman. As you can see, it's very friendly. Uh, Here is a list of options that you can see the caution, the mock servers, the monitors, history. In the caution, you will have some form, so you can manually do something like get a request, bot request, or put request. Here, an example, I want to get a request from Postman example. I will press send, and it will return the above respond in form of an object, JSON object. You have many options here like print the format, raw format, preview, even visualize. In the guest, you can also add in more option like very parameter and send. It will return a response for that here. API have argument like to one to two. So we will focus on the test. Sometimes we would like to know if the response return in less time, like we would the response return in within 2 milliseconds. We can write a test. We cannot do it manually. So you should write automation test like this. Here is built function of Postman. We will write our test in JavaScript. This is the name of the test, and inside it will receive a function. So well, we can write it like something like PM dot response uh, respond uh, to have body anything that we want it to return. Yeah. And the second one, as you can see, the second test, we can test if a response return two 0 and 1 code.
Because of so we have calculated it the response result within 2 milliseconds. Not response dot time response time to be below 2 milliseconds. Use scenario wave and see the test result. As we can see here, the gray wave respond in 1 second instead of 2 milliseconds. So that is on you can go with automation that in Postman. Thank you for your listen.